What's good, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with some XRP and crypto analysis. And today I'm bringing you the best, latest, and greatest updates on XRP. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like if you like what you see, and comment your thoughts in the video. And today, I don't really have a scripture. If you are new to my channel, I usually do scriptures before I give my analysis. But today, I want to give you something different. So there's been news on surging around, going about that there's this pastor on the internet that's, he committed adultery and that he's, and he has a pretty, let's say he has a pretty nasty video out there. It's not funny, but at the same time, I have to let you guys know that we all fall short of God's glory, and everybody's saying that this man is terrible and everything, and what he's did is, it's shameful, and that no, if you are going to be a child of God, you have to have a certain standard of living and hold yourself accountable for your actions and what you do. At the same time, he can be forgiven for what he's done, and as you're reading on what's on the screen currently, you know, God always he's a merciful God, he's a righteous God. So let God deal with this man accordingly. Yeah, I don't think it's, right to be bashing him because we're not perfect, but at the same time we need to understand that we need to hold ourselves accountable for what we do. I just say pray for the man. If you really want to make a difference, pray for the man instead of talking bad about this man. All right, that's all I want to say. We all fall short. Everybody that's reading this, we aren't perfect, but I'm not trying to change nobody. I'm just here to make a point and let you know that anybody could be changed no matter who they are, what they've done. All right, that's the message of today. But that being said, let's jump right into the analysis. Starting with the weekly time frame, we are doing pretty well. It looks like we want to reach the 32-cent level, which is what I'm eyeing right now. Looking at it off the daily time frame, what I like here is that we broken out this ascending wedge, descending wedge, so it looks like we want to move to the upside. Only thing that I don't like that Tinkinson and Kijisen are far apart from each other right here, the red and blue lines. When they are far apart like that, that means price wants to act as a magnet and pull down towards those levels. As you see here, we did pull down a little bit, but today we had a little recovery. We are up 3% today or down 3% today. I need to check that. But it looks like we're trying to make our move back to the upside right now. I'm just cautious and weary of this right here. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what's going on. We have, let's see. Oop. There we go. Right there. So we have this end pattern. We did break the B level, so we did move higher. But it looks like we came to a stop, came down a little bit, and I still believe that we will reach 31 cents. I don't know when, because XRP likes to move how it wants to move. Let's see. Looking at it, we did have a hammer, close with a hammer that wants to push to the upside. So we had strong rejection at the 38-cent level. So I would expect price to go back up. What caused this to happen? I did an update on Twitter the other day. Let me go back in time for you guys. Let me show you something. So right here, when you see that the red and the blue line are far apart, that's never a good sign. That means price usually wants to be drawn to this blue line. It's like a magnet for price. So if we go play it a little bit, let's play it a little bit. So you see what's happening right now. So you see price is wanting to push down. Once it breaks this level, that's a good sign for a price to come back down to these levels. So watch it play out. Boom, it broke here, it came down, broke this line. Now the market is back in equilibrium. It held this support level here in this area, and now it wants to make its way back up. Let's see what's going on now. So now we are currently here. firmly holding this area of support. I believe that we could still maintain this area of support. Chiku span is still above cloud, price is still above the cloud, and we are still along in this channel. So I believe that sometime this weekend, that we shall see price move over the weekend to higher prices. What I don't like right now is that Tinkerson is aiming downward and Kijinsen is flat right here. This shows that this is going to act as a strong resistance. Whenever you see a flat area like of Kijinsen, that's a strong area of resistance or support, depending on what direction. So you see this line where Kijinsen is at, it was flat here. You see it's rejecting this level, so I'm not liking that too well right now. And we are getting this too right here, this area that's acting flat. So if we do break this, you see that it rejected here. So this area is acting as a strong resistance right now. That's not what I'm liking right now, but I could potentially see price coming down a little bit, possibly back to 27 cents or lower. I'm not trying to, blow smoke up people's tail, but uh, I do see price could potentially come down lower. And if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna put it here. Let me go to the daily time frame and show you guys what's going on there. If we do come down, I do expect price to come down to these levels here, which will be 27,173 and 26,806. So that's what I'm seeing right now, just because these are far apart. What I like to see eventually is for Kijinsen to angle up. Once we get that angulation to the upside and not flattening out, then we'll see price move up. But right now, momentum is showing us that we are wanting to come to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing so far. I don't see anything different. What caused this to come down? We had let's see, this needs to be changed here. Update that. We had a descending wedge, I believe, ascending wedge right here. If we're gonna make this a legit pattern, this was a wedge and the price went down. So that's what made price come down, was this pattern here. It was just a matter of identifying it. I wish I had identified that sooner so I could have taken advantage of this and, gave everybody an update what's going on. But it does look like on the 15-minute time frame, momentum's trying to pick back up to the upside. If we could break these levels here and move up, then I believe that XRP will continue to the upside. I see nothing but bullish things in the future, but right now we are it's a real fight between bulls and bears right now. I want price to go up. If we could get past these levels, the 29,576 level, we'll be back into bullish territory and back into the 30-cent level and back into maybe 31-cent level. So that's my analysis for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment and subscribe your thoughts and let me know what you guys are thinking. All right. God bless you guys and peace.